welcome back to my channel. So today's vlog, itutur ko kayo sa loob ng bahay. So check this out and I'll show you around. First here, this is the hallway from the main door. And then we have also the shoe and jacket area where you can put all your stuffs in there, so it's not so messy when you go inside. And then here we have the chair, and also we have the mirror. So for example, you have a guest, then you can just let her relax in here and then see herself in the mirror. So yeah. And then next we have the living room. This is the living room. Actually we have two, but then the other one we called it bibliothèque, but there are no so much books inside. So let's go inside. Here we have a relaxing chair. So during the night you can just sit and relax there while browsing books or just relax. And see, we have chandelier here. It's just matching the living room. Then now we go to the bibliothèque area, but we don't have much. And then this is what I love, the center table here. It's just so cool. It's like a boat. So in the living room here, it makes you relax because it's like that chair feels like you are on the beach or on the seaside. So let's move on to the dining table or dining area. So this is normally we eat during dinner because we eat in the kitchen area during the morning or daytime. So here you just sit down here during the night for our dinner. It's good because we have also a view from the outside. You can see a lot of people. When it's summer, this is so good because you can just sit on the balcony and relax there. And this is so cool. We have a party, that's why. So here we have a shelf for the wine glass, and we have books all over. We have a heating place. So let's move on to the rooms, next room. So this is the hallway, and we have also bookshelves here. And we love art, that's why. Here we have extra door to go out, so this is a back door. And then this is the master's bedroom. So that's the master's bed, and then that's the walk-in closet. Now let's move on to the kids' room.
What we do here is go back.
So here we have the kids' room. Yeah, so here is the kids' room, and then next we will have the small toilet. And we have the big toilet, bathroom, because this one is a bathroom, and then we have here. So it's everything in here. We have the clothes machine, dryer, shower. So next up is the kitchen. So here is the kitchen. total room. And the last is my room. So here.